Hello Fanatics! With our review of Kong Skull Island coming out, we decided to share a few films to watch if you liked it. Enjoy. Godzilla is an action sci-fi directed by Gareth Edwards, starring Aaron Taylor-Johnson, Elizabeth Olsen, and Bryan Cranston. It follows the story of a family who gets caught in the middle of a showdown between monstrous creatures. This film has the same scale, monster themes, and atmosphere. There are many violent scenes. Apocalypse Now is a war drama directed by Francis Ford Coppola, starring Martin Sheen, Marlon Brando, and Robert Duvall. It follows the story of a man during the Vietnam War who's sent on a mission to assassinate a traitorous colonel who believes himself a god amongst a local tribe. This film has the same tone and gritty war theme. There are many sexual and violent scenes throughout. Jurassic Park is an adventure sci-fi directed by Steven Spielberg, starring Sam Neill, Laura Dern, and Jeff Goldblum. It follows the story of a theme park that suffers a major power breakdown that allows its cloned dinosaur exhibits to escape. This film has similar themes, tone, and atmosphere. There are violent and intense scenes throughout. Pacific Rim is an action sci-fi directed by Guillermo del Toro, starring Idris Elba, Charlie Hunnam, and Rinko Kikuchi. It follows the story of Jaeger pilots who wage a war between humankind and monstrous creatures in a desperate effort to save the world from the apocalypse. This film has similar monster themes, tone, and a gritty atmosphere. There is strong violence throughout. Tropic Thunder is an action comedy directed by Ben Stiller, starring Ben Stiller, Jack Black, and Robert Downey Jr. It follows the story of a group of actors who, while shooting a big-budget Vietnam War film, are forced to become the characters they are playing. This film has a similar setting, action, and war themes. There is some violence throughout. Hopefully you like some of these films just as much as you did Kong Skull Island. If you have any films you'd like to recommend to us or to the community, or you want to tell us what you thought of these films, let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video and you want to see more, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Check out our latest Film Fanatic review where we discuss the film Kong Skull Island. Don't forget to follow us on our social media. We post new videos every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday. Until next time, Fanatics, keep it real.